What's up everyone? New day down here in the garage. Al decided to go and get paint and rollers. So obviously the garage is getting painted today. So yeah, another painting video. Al's gonna stay here for a bit. I have to feck off and grab the wife and do a dump run. Get rid of all the rubbish. So
take a dump.
we're gonna head down, drop off all the rubbish and then come back down. But Al's gonna get a start on the paint. So yeah. We'll see you in a bit. So guys, dump run is done. I'm just heading back to the garage now. See what Reaper's getting up to. I then have to fly off, obviously go home and get changed because I'm in my nice clothes. So let's check in with Reaper. I have to grab the bottle of gas, go get gas for welding, and then I'll get changed and we'll be back down to finish off the garage. Hi Alan!
Hi!
Oh shit, I didn't get you.
Obviously,
Yeah, I know. Ooh. Yeah, that looks decent, that white paint, doesn't it? Yeah. Much better. So I'm changed, guys. On the way back up to the garage. Grab some gas there, fresh gas for welding Reaper's rot box. We won't say that actually, he gets very angry. Reaper's rig, his van with his cab. That's what's left of it. So yeah, we're heading back to the garage now, guys. We're going to do some painting. Let's see what Reaper got done. So me and quiet. Let's see what Reaper's up to. Hi Ali! So Alan the legend is down here a while. He's after getting most of this wall done with just a quick coat. So we'll go over that again. Maybe later on, I don't know. Yeah, another thing. Notice anything different?
Yeah. The rot box is black.
He just rattle canned the black to see what it looked like. And it still looks shit. Anywho, yeah, he's after getting this wall done with a nice thick heavy coat. It looks so much better. So when you see that wall, you're like, ah, it doesn't look that clean. But then look at the difference. That's what it looked like. That's what it looked like, and that's how it looks now. So we're gonna move the mini and we're gonna lash this wall out of it and the back wall, and then this board is going a different colour. That's going a different colour, and the garage will be kind of clean. I think we need to do something with that floor
until Aaron gets here.
Yeah, until Aaron gets here and messes it all up. So we need to do something with this floor as well. I don't know what to do. Maybe my brother has some blue paint. Maybe we can steal that and do that. So yeah, we're gonna crack on with this wall now. both of us have reached our height limits. I'm not standing up on 3 different wheels just to get this. So Al's idea is rattle can. Woohoo! Yeah, the door looks cool. It looks a lot better. The glossy black than it was. That horrible grey. You also have all the walls painted a nice shade of white. Nice and clean. Painted this all up black. That looks super clean. Obviously I'm going to put a few urban stickers on it. A few of Reaper stickers on it. And obviously all this is going to be cleaned up. Everything's going to be put away. But how good does the garage look now? It looks super clean.
You're welcome.
Thanks, honey. Yeah, I'm really happy with the outcome. A few bits and pieces still to go, but we'll deal with that another time. This wall over here still has to be painted. You've seen where I started here, but we need rid of the polisher. This big rusty square, I don't know what it is. It's a big black rusty box. Oh, Alan's gone, look, it's just a middle finger. Yeah, just that wall to paint now. You can see the difference with the line here. It's a serious difference, so yeah. We've done a good job, Al. We've done a good job. Oh yeah, Al done this as well. That looks good. And this, much tidier. Really happy. So at least now we can come down to a garage and it'll be clean if Aaron stays away. Bow, chicka, wow,
Yes!
wow. So it's been a long day down the garage, but the garage looks kind of decent. It's kind of clean. I'm happy with it. I think Alan's happy with it. He's at the back of Aaron's Civic there. I think he's going crazy.
Happy clappy.
Happy what?
Happy clappy.
So yeah, that's it for now. That's it for the cleaning video. I'm sick of cleaning. Loads of stuff to get rid of again. So yeah, guys, see you in the next one. Say bye bye, Alan.
Bye bye, Alan.
Peace out.